Oh man, my Indian fairy godmother, or my mother-in-law, or Sauce, went back to India, and now I have to learn how to drape my own sari? Better now than never. Namaste, mera naam Carolyn hai. Aaj me sari pehenne wali hu. Hi, my name is Carolyn, and today I'm going to drape a sari. Okay, let's see what we're working with. Are you ready, Zoe? Yeah! Alright, I have my saris packaged in such a cute garment bag with so much care. I haven't opened them in a little bit of time. So, let's see all of the pieces that this entails. The petticoat. Right here. Blouse number 1 is turquoise blue. Blouse number 2, gold. Sari that goes with the blue petticoat. And blouse number 3, gold with rose accents, and the sari that goes with that. Okay, let's see how it goes. Okay, here goes nothing, and we are going to try to successfully drape a sari. Now I have done this in the past, but it's been a few months back and I'm really out of practice. So here we go. There are 3 parts of a sari, and the first part is the blouse, the second part is the petticoat, and the third part is the sari. A sari is about 6 yards in length, which is really long. First rule of draping a sari is to drape it with the shoes on that you're going to be wearing to your event. Now, for the sari part, there are 2 sides of your sari. Non-pattern part, the plain side, and the pattern part, which we'll leave on the floor for right now, because we are going to start with the plain side. We are going to align the bottom of the sari with just the top of your shoes, making sure it's covering your petticoat, and you are going to start tucking it into your petticoat. Okay, now that you've gone around your body one time, you are going to find the end of your material. Now this is the pattern side, and this is called the pallu. You're going to take the straight end of the pallu, and you're going to pleat it. Pleating is just folding it back and forth. And when you have a thick piece of the pallu, it's very easy to do because it folds and it keeps for itself. The tricky pleating comes later. So we've pleated our palu. And we are going to bring this around our body. And we are going to put it over our shoulder. Your palu should hit below your knee. And don't worry, because we'll fix this later. So we are going to take the inside, straighten it out, and bring it back behind your body, underneath the palu. Just this. So this pattern part tucks back behind, underneath your belly button. Now's the tricky part of the pleating. We have a circle of material here. And this part is going to create the pretty flowing part of the sari. Pleating is tricky with your fingers. Pinky and ring finger together, pointer finger and thumb together. Oh, pointer finger and middle finger together. I dropped my pleats. Round 2. Okay, I made it. Now supposedly you're supposed to be able to shake your pleats out. That's all I can do. Now you fold your pleats to a flat side. And in a perfect world, this is supposed to be very slimming. As you can tell, I need some practice. But everybody's got to start somewhere. So now we are going to go back and we're going to fix our palu and make it beautiful. All right. And there you have it. An almost perfect sari. As you can see, I still need a little bit of practice. Koshish jari hai.